Hey everybody, this is Tracy Barrett with Focus on Nova Real Estate, Century 21 Redwood. I'm over here in Fair Lakes at Bagel Buddies, and I have the privilege to interview my friend Alyssa Schultz, who is co-owner with her husband Peter. So let's head inside. What's exciting about Bagel Buddies is that they're going to be providing all of our client appreciation pies for myself and Linda Roussis and Sharon Ayers and Ingrid. So for those of you who have referred us clients and bought and sold with us this year, here is a preview of what you get. Hang on. If you see here, they've got the pies coming up, so if anybody doesn't feel like cooking this year, they have wonderful pies made right here at Bagel Buddies. So Bagel Buddies Fair Lakes, it's a great little bagel shop. I will say my uncle, who is from Jersey, said that the bagels were absolutely spot on, so come by anytime. And here we go with owner Alyssa Schultz, and she has got delicious looking pumpkin pie ready to go by the slice, or you can order it in advance, and she has one ready for me. So tell us about your pies.
So, Miss Barrett, this pumpkin pie was made especially for you.
Thank you.
All of our pies are homemade, everything from scratch, including the crust, and they are all family recipes passed down from either my family or my husband's family.
What flavors do you have this year?
So this year we have pumpkin cheesecake pie, pecan, chocolate pecan, apple, and regular cheesecake, and something we call our Bagel Buddies Holiday Special, which is a crushed walnut pie.
A crushed walnut pie?
Crushed walnut pie, and it's served with homemade whipped cream that we make in-house.
Oh my gosh, okay. So I'm looking forward to actually having these. We're going to be giving them out to all of our clients. They're going to come and pick them up. They'll pre-order them and we'll get them out to you. What type of notice do people need to do to get you, to give you so that they have their pies in time for Thanksgiving?
So since we are in the midst of the season and I make all of the pies myself, 24 hours is all I need.
Really?
The earlier the better, because then I can kind of plan for them, but I can do them if you tell me the day before.
That's amazing.
Yes.
That is amazing. All right, so tell me about your lunch specials. What can people expect to get here just on a daily lunch?
On a daily lunch day. So our most popular sandwiches are probably the Fifth Avenue, which is a smoked turkey, bacon, provolone cheese, lettuce, and tomato. But you can also cater to the vegetarian. We have a Garden City vegetable sandwich, which includes 6 different vegetables and either veggie cream cheese or hummus. And for those who are gluten-free, we do have some hidden gluten-free wraps.
Nice. Very nice. So is there anything else that you'd like to leave us with?
I just want to leave you with one little tidbit, and that's that our bagels and our cream cheeses are also made in-house from scratch.
Cool. And if you notice, everybody, check this out. They have literally plain cream cheese, which I think is just the cutest thing in the whole wide world. All right, well, thanks so much for meeting with me today. I appreciate you letting us film, and looking forward to serving your pies.